Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to do my everyday makeup, a super easy makeup and very quick. So without further ado, let's start. So I'm going to use this to not have hair on my face. I'm going to use this oil absorbing paper just because I have oily skin. So these are really helpful and I love to use it before putting on my makeup. Just here, here and here on the T-zone. So the next thing that I'm going to use is this Power Cream Primer from e.l.f. I'm not going to use much, only a bit. To be honest, to do my makeup, I mostly use my fingers. Using your hand to blend your makeup, I feel like it makes it easier. So after using this primer, I'm going to use also from e.l.f. This is the Halo Glow liquid filter, and basically it's the cheaper version of the Charlotte Tilbury one. So yeah, and I feel also that it's very similar. Yeah, so I'm going to put here, here, here and here. Not too much, because I feel like you want to put this type of glowy products on the right zone, because if not, you're not going to have a nice effect, especially on oily skin. So yeah, you want to put it on the right zone. Make sure that it stays on this zone, because I want my cheekbones to be luminous, not too much on the forehead, but just a tiny bit, and also here under my eyebrows. After doing that, you can see that my skin is already more glowy, and that's what we want. My next step is contour and blush. I don't use foundation, I just use the concealer, but I like to put these two first because I feel like it gives more of a natural effect. So I just put it here. Not too low, not too high, just here, a bit here, and here. And now it's time for blush. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury one. I'm just going to put it higher, yeah, on this, like here. I'm going to use now the concealer just on my under eye, and here that I have a bit of redness on my forehead. Now that I finished, I'm going to use this powder from Charlotte Tilbury to set my makeup. Just going to put it on the T-zone. Here, here. Okay, so highlighter, I'm just going to put it here. You see that it's already a bit glowy, but we are going to do it even more glowy. Look at the glow. Okay, so last part is eyebrows and eye makeup. So I'm going to use this eyebrow pencil from Kiko Milano, and I use it for my eyebrow but also for my eyes. So for the eyebrow, I'm just going to fill those areas where I have less hair. So after finishing my eyebrows, I'm going to use it as basically as an eyeliner, but I'm not going to do the perfect eyeliner. I'm just going to color this part where you usually put the eyeliner. So yeah, they're like basically like this. Very messy, I know. It doesn't look good immediately, but it's one of those things that you have to trust the process. Okay, and I'm going to put it also between my eyelashes, up and down, here, 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 and now mascara. Okay, now I've put on mascara, and the last touch Super quick. I'm going to put something on my lips. I'm going to contour my lips. Okay, like this. I know that right now I look like an idiot, but yeah, I'm going to fill it with this lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm just going to put it a bit on my hand and tap it like this. Okay, so last touch is the gloss from Fenty Beauty. Last touch. And yeah, that's it. So yeah, this is the finished look. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!